Well, hello there. For my leopard girls, we're going to get into some leopard inspiration with this coat because I see you guys are still loving the leopard combination that I did or maybe that was 2 years ago. I don't remember. But since we're about to dive into some fall winter fashion, I found this nice, well, I didn't find it myself, my assistant did, this cute leopard type of coat, and I have pulled the browns. These two browns that are in the coats, those are my inspiration that I am pairing it with. So if you have a leopard coat like this, something similar like this, and you want to add a pop of color, whether it's your hair jewelry, your earrings, your necklace, a brooch, a bracelet, a bag, a shoe, I'm going to give you some inspiration. So let's get into some color combinations that I have curated right here. All right, so here's the first palette that I have right here, which is this very off-white. It has like a hint of green. I'm definitely seeing a few of leather bags. So I said, this will be a nice little off-put type of combination if you are into this color combination. So say if you had a bag and you kind of wanted to add a nice little subtle little umph to it without being too poppy or too, what I would say, like my mature bag, like my older women will probably like this type of color, or maybe the young girls too. We see you. But here is a nice little color combination that you can add that will kind of just make this stand out and kind of just separate from the other colors that's going on within this coat. Like it, follow us, follow me, and let's stay tuned for more. All right, so here's the next combination palette that I have for this leopard, which is this nice mustard yellow. I definitely did have this in the other leopard print that was selected, but this leopard print right here definitely has more of that beige. I did have it right here. It has a nice little ombre effect, so I said another shade of yellow. It's not the exact same, but it's definitely in that family that would look really, really good. You could do a lot of jewelry with like this. You could do your handbag. You could just do so much of this. I don't need to spend too much time on this. Is definitely like a given. So definitely give us a follow. Definitely look at the other color combinations that I have, and let's move on to the next palette. All right, so now let's do a little pop. So I selected this nice shade of green. I like this green. I don't know what it is about the vibrantness of like greens like this and the green that I had like the last videos I've been creating with the color combinations, but I like pops of green, and green and brown are definitely very friendly together because they're earth tone type of colors. So picking the right shade of green that's saturated or cool or just has a more warmer tone, you definitely need to have a nice little balance when you're dealing with the beige and the brown. So I have selected this shade of green. Hope I've given you a nice inspiration. If you have something in your closet or want to wear something, try it out and let us know. All right, definitely give us a follow. We don't bite, and stay tuned for another palette. All right, so for the last one, I did a very vibrant and just type of green. And now I wanted to select a more like a green gray undertone type of feel. I see a lot of this in like some, those paintings, the grays in the apartments or homes or hotels. This is like kind of like that shade. So I selected it. It looks very, very good. It kind of gives it a nice little sophisticated type of feel. I would definitely go for this if this was more like a handbag, not a shoe, but a great handbag. And then like a good brooch. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know down below in the comments you are feeling it. Definitely give us a follow and check out more of the color palettes that I have created. All right. Stay tuned for another selection. All right, driving through the green family, I definitely wanted to stop by the teal type of vibe. teal turquoise. It has that nice balance of green blue. Those of you who don't really like wearing green a lot, or that, that really really rich type of green, here's a nice balance of the blue green type of color. This right here, and this, I can see this being worn in multiple different ways, but it looks really really good against this brown that I have selected, that I have extracted from this coat, as well as this beige, because this leopard does have a nice scattered palette of all of the browns just showing. So this looks really really good. Definitely give us a follow. We don't bite, and stay tuned for more palettes. Comment down below, like, save, and let's move on to the next palette. Well, hello there, new palette. How you doing? This one is like an automatic given. I just automatically thought about this first when we went with leopard again with the coat, because we're about to be in, it's pumpkin spice season. For those who like that spice, that season, and taste and stuff. I don't know. I just always think of orange, especially from me being from the tri-state. I think of leaves. So I have selected this shade of orange. It looks absolutely beautiful with the beige and any type of brown, as well as this black too. It definitely makes things pop very subtly and sophisticated. So if you were into this combination, definitely give us a like, follow. We don't bite. I don't bite. Come along, girl. Come along. And stay tuned for the next color combination that I have curated. All right. All right, on to the next new palette that I have put together, which is this nice hot pink. You can never go wrong with pink when it comes to leopard, but the question can be which shade. And depending on what the leopard print is, because leopard comes in many different ways, and if you actually look at a cheetah or any of the animal stripes, they are never identical. They are very different. So with this one, like I stated, I wanted to focus on these two brown, this brown and beige. They're in the brown family. And this looks really, really good if you were to grab this pink and this beige, as well as this pink and this brown, and also this pink and this black. So you are you are just killing all the birds in one stone, all right? So if you're feeling this, definitely comment, follow us, give us a follow. We don't bite, all right? Let's stay tuned for the next palette. Now, for this new palette that I have put together, curated, the last pink was probably a little bit too vibrant, or depending on your undertone, it doesn't really suit you very well. But if that was too bright or not really your shade of pink that you have in your wardrobe or in your own palette, here is another pink that will work for this leopard print type of vibe. Again, I did pull the brown that I wanted to focus on, because that's the strategy that I do when I'm styling and doing consulting. I pull or put my focus point on two or one type of subject, and then I base it off of this. And if you were to have any type of accessory, because you just want your coat to be the statement piece or the main focus, then you can surround it around with this color, right? So if you're liking it, definitely let me know. Follow, comment, save, and let's move on to the next. And lastly, my blue girls, the girls who like to wear blue. I did not forget about you, because I did have like a nice teal type of color that had a nice balance of blue and green. But here is a very, very beautiful type of blue that you can pair with this. I mean, just by me looking at this combination looks already striking, but I can only imagine with my doing, even though I'm a girl that likes to wear red or not, or just warm colors, anyone that likes to wear warm or warm colors are compatible with you, I still would wear this as like a shoe or handbag, and then on my lips, I would do like a nice fuchsia or a red. That's just me. But if you are a girl who likes to wear blue and been waiting to see what shade of blue looks really, really good with this, definitely screenshot this, save it, follow us. All right. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed talking too fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the color combination that I did with this leopard ensemble. I am Mikara Reid, image consultant stylist at MIIEN. I know some of you guys are mispronouncing it, but it's MIIEN Consultancy. All right. And definitely go back into the profile and see the color combinations that I have put together for not only this outfit, but for other outfits as well as some. I definitely did some VMAs and some other color combinations, other stuff like that. And stay tuned for more, right? Thanks for tuning in.